learn how to play it a little bit. And I still remember when I put my mouth to it and I went for the first time. I still remember that. And then I've been playing it ever since. Now, before I tell you how to put it together and how to play it, I want to inform you a little bit about a trombone. A trombone is a shiny brass instrument that makes beautiful music. It is shiny, powerful, and requires great skill to be played. Which, that's true. The musician must learn several positions and how to hold their lips just right to play it correctly. With a lot of practice, one can master the trombone. When mastered, it is a fun instrument to play. Be careful your lips don't get stuck to the mouthpiece by keeping them moistened. If you're playing outside, this is very important. And then I put some fun facts up here. It was first created in 1450, which means it's older than America. Columbus didn't sail the ocean blue till 1492. This was first invented in 1450, older than America, this instrument. The total length of a trombone is 9 feet. If I took the piping, and I went all the way out like this, and then I was able to take this bell and bend it all the way like that, it would extend 9 feet. That's 2 feet taller than the tallest NBA player. Yeah, so you're carrying around 9 feet of equipment here when you're playing the trombone. It comes from the Italian word. Now, a lot of you yesterday were like, Mr. Wallick, I don't know what does that mean? It was Latin. It was Latin. One of the things we haven't talked about a lot of, but words come from Latin or Italian, or they come from German, or they come from Spanish. This one comes from an Italian word called tromba, which means trumpet. And the suffix "one" meaning large, so it means large trumpet. Okay? And it is usually made of brass, and brass is a fine metal that lasts a long time. And it also is a soft metal, so it's the sound, and I don't know if you guys have learned about sound, but the sound of a brass instrument can reverberate and carry for a very, very loud, I can play even louder than that, but I don't want to hurt Jasmine's ears. So that is brass instruments. Now, I informed you about this, and then I put some fun facts here. Here's your question. And I want you to answer this the best way you can. This is the first time you've seen a question like this. So if it's confusing, that's normal. Try anyway. Why did the author divide the writing into 2 sections? I have 2 sections of my writing. Why did I divide it into 2 sections? How are they different? And give an example. I'm the author. I divided this into 2 sections. Why? Don't tell me. How are they different? And give an example. Go. No, not yet. I have the right answer right here in red. I'll read it to you in a second.